Hey, it's Dennis from The Right Stuff. One of the most common tech questions we receive is how to remove a shipping bin from our brake and fuel lines. A shipping bin refers to a 180-degree large radius bin we place in any line that's 6 feet or longer in order to efficiently and effectively ship the line to you. In this video, we're going to show you an easy way to remove the shipping bin and prepare the line for installation on your vehicle. Start by placing the line on a table or hard surface. With the line against a hard surface, we want to remove the shipping bin without disturbing the factory bins in the line. Place your hands at the top of the 180 and press down against the hard surface, straightening the line. Now that you have the shipping bin mostly removed, you can use the edge of the table for your final straightening, or use your hands and thumbs like this. This is a mild steel line. Stainless steel will take a little bit more pressure, but now your line is ready to install in the vehicle. For more information on Right Stuff parts and disc brake conversions, be sure to check out our website at www.getdiscbrakes.com. Also follow along Right Stuff's YouTube channel for more great how-to videos that may be of assistance to you when it comes time to work on your hot rod. Be on the lookout for all of our great parts available at most performance retailers. Thanks for joining us at Right Stuff today. We'll see you out there.